Welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to give admin privileges in Windows 10 and guide you step by step so you can manage user accounts easily. Step 1. Go to the Start menu and type Settings, then select it. The Settings app is where you can control all your system and account configurations. Step 2. Click on Accounts in the Settings window. This section lets you manage users, sign-in options, and account types. Step 3. Scroll down and select Other Users. Here, you can see all the accounts on your PC that you can manage or modify. Step 4. Choose the user you want to give admin privileges to. Make sure you select the correct account, because admin permissions allow full control over the PC. Step 5. Click on the user account and select Change Account Type. This option lets you upgrade a standard user to an administrator. Step 6. Choose Administrator from the options and click OK. This gives the selected user full access to make system changes and install programs. Step 7. The selected user now has full administrator permissions. You can now manage your PC more effectively with this account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful guides.